Hi, good morning to all. See here today chapter binomial theorem. Okay, binomial theorem 5 marks question. See here first year binomial theorem formula. And see here first year one more time. See here x plus a. Okay, x plus a whole power n. X plus a whole power n is equal to, so here nc naught into x power n plus nc 1 into x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 into x power n minus 2 into a square here plus and so on. Okay, plus and so on plus, okay, and so on plus here ncr into x power n minus r into here a power r here plus and so on plus here ncn into here a power n. This is the formula. Okay, right. See here this is the general term. So in the general term is, see here in the general term in the general term is here tr plus 1 is equal to this is the general term. Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term. Okay, right? So this formula important. So general term is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. This is the formula. Okay, this formula important. See here this formula important. Right, this formula important. Okay, this is the general term. Okay, this formula important. General term tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into a power r. Okay, right. See here next problem. First question. See here in this first question here. Right, see here in this data, find the term independent of x in, okay, x cube minus 3 by x square whole power 15. See here, so in this problem, find the term independent, okay, independent of x. Right, see here first this is the binomial expression right here. See here first to write here general term. Okay, see here x plus a, this is the a. Okay, here x value x cube, a value minus 3 by x square, a value, n value 15. Okay, n value 15. Right, first general term. All problems first write general term. See here first here in this general term, here in the solution is, here in the solution, so general term, here general term tr plus 1 is equal to here ncr into x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term. Alright, this is the general term. Right, see here n value 15, x value x cube, a value minus 3 by x square, a value. Replace here. So here tr plus 1 is equal to ncr, n value 15. So that is equal to here 15 cr into x power, x value x cube, see here x cube, here x cube whole power 15, okay, n minus r, 15 minus r into a power, here a value minus 3 by, a value is minus 3 by x square, a value minus 3 by x square whole power r. Okay, see here 15 cr into x power n minus r, x value x cube, okay, x cube whole power n minus r, n value 15 into a power r, a value minus 3 by x square, a value minus 3 by x square whole power r. See here that is equal to here 15 cr into, see here multiply 3 here x power, so x power 3 into 15 is here 45 minus 3 into r is 3r, okay, 3 into r is 3r into here in this value minus 3, okay, minus 3 whole power r into here 1 by x power 2r, 1 by x power 2r is equal to x power minus 2r. Okay, right? See here in this formula. Right, see here in this formula, so here 1 by x power 2r, okay, see here multiply r, here 1 by x power 2r is equal to x power minus 2r formula. Okay, this apply this one, 1 by x power 2r is x power minus 2r. Right, see here next step here, Right, next steps here. So here bases are equal here. Okay, adding powers here. See, that is equal to here 15 CR into here minus 3 whole power r into, see here bases are equal here. Adding powers here, adding power here x power 45 minus 3r minus 2r, that is equal to minus 5r. Okay, minus 5r. Okay, x power minus 3r minus 2r, 5r. Okay, 45 minus 5r. So here find the term independent of x. Okay, to find the term independent of x, see here. So therefore tr plus 1. So tr plus 1 is equal to this value. Okay, so that is equation number here 1, right? So here to find the term independent of x, to find the term independent of x, equate the power of x is equal to 0. Equate the power of x is equal to 0. Independent term means x power 0. Okay. See here in the x power, here in this power is equals to 0. So here that is, here 45 minus 5r. 45 minus 5r is equal to 0. So here 5r taking this idea. So that is 5r. 5r is equal to here 45. Okay. So 5 9 times get cancelled. That implies r value. So therefore r is equal to, r value is 9. Okay, r value is 9. This is the r value. So replace r value 9 by equation number 1. Okay, see here. So here from 1. Alright, replace here. So that is t 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is replace r by 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to here 15 c9 into here minus 3. Okay, minus 3 whole power r. R value is 9. So that is 9 into next one value x power. See, replace r by 9. So 9 into 5 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. This is 0. Okay. So x power 0 is equal to 1. X power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. So here, so therefore here t10. Okay, t10. This is 9 plus 1 is t10. T10 is equal to, see here 15. Here c 9 into here minus 3 whole power 9 is the term independent of x. Is the term independent of x. Is the term independent of x. Okay, this is the 5 marks question. Okay, right? All problems are procedure same. Okay, only general term. First write general term. Okay, next replace these values. Okay, 5 marks question, this question, right? Write this question. Right, see next problem. See in this next question. See in the next question also same. See here, find the term independent of x. So here independent of x. Here find the term independent of x in same. See here x plus a whole power n. Here n value also 15. Here x value 3x. A value minus 2 by x square. A value. Okay. First write general term. See here in the solution here. In the solution general term. General term tr plus 1 is equal to, so here NCR into x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term, right? Replace these values here. N value 15, x value 3x, a value minus 2 by x square. A value replace here. So therefore here tr plus 1 is equal to NCR. N value 15. See here 15 cr into x power n minus r. X value 3x. So in this value is 3x whole power n minus r. N minus r means here 15 minus r into a power. A value minus 2 by x square. A value is minus 2 by here x square. Minus 2 by x square whole power r. So here that is equal to here 15 cr into here constant term 3. Okay, 3 power here 15 minus r. 3 power 15 minus r into next one value x power 15 minus r. Okay, x power 15 minus r into next here minus 2 power r. So that is minus 2 power r. Minus 2 power r into next 1 by x power 2 r. 1 by x power 2 r is equal to x power minus 2 r. Okay. See here 1 by x power 2 r. Already before problem writing this one. Okay. See here. So in this formula here 1 by x power 2 r. 1 by x power 2 r is equal to x power minus 2 r. Okay. X power minus 2 r. X power minus 2 r. Right. See here. Here 1 by x power 2 r. 1 by x power 2 r is equal to x power minus 2 r. See here bases are equal here. Here base in this base x and this base also x. Okay. Next adding powers here. See here next remaining. So that is 15 cr. 15 cr into here 3 power 15. 3 power 15 minus r into next money value constant here 2 power r into here x power. See here bases are equal here. Adding powers here 15. Okay, minus r minus 2r that is equal to minus 3r. Okay, x power minus 3r. So here this value. Okay, this is tr plus 1. Okay, tr plus 1 is equal to, right? So that is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Next here, see here to find the term independent of x. Here to find the term. To find the term independent of x. Independent of x. To find the term independent of x. Okay, equate the power of x is equal to equate the power of x. Power of x is equal to here 0, right? See here to find the term independent of x, equate the power of x is equal to 0. See here in this power of x, in this power value 0. So here that is, see here that is here 15. In this power is 15 minus 3r. 15 minus 3r is equal to 0. So that implies here taking this side here that is 3r. Here 3r is equal to 15. So 3 5 times get cancelled. That implies r value. R is equal to 5. R value is 5. This is the r value. Okay. So replace r value 5 by equation number 1. So here first here from 1. Here from 1 replace here. So that is t r value 5. So that is t5 plus 1 is equal to replace here that is 15 c5 into next here 3 power. See here 3 power here 15 minus r. So that is equal to 15 minus r value is 5 into next one minus 2 power r value is 5 into x power. See here x power replace r by 5. 3 into 5 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Right, x power 0. X power 0 value is 1. See here. So therefore the term independent of x is equal to here t10 here t10 okay t6 here not 10 t6 here okay t6. See here 5 plus 1 is 6. T6 is equal to here 15 c5 into 3 power. Okay, 3 power 15 minus 5 is 10. 3 power 10 into next money value minus 2 whole power 5 is the term independent of x. See here is the term independent of x. Is the term independent of x. Okay, is the term independent of x. Okay, this is the 5 marks question. Same procedure is same. Okay, only this function changing. Procedure same, no change. Right, first write general term, next replace these values here. Okay, so here to find the term independent of x, equate the power of x is equal to 0. This power is equals to 0 independent term. Okay, now write this question. Right, see your next problem. Right, see here in this next question here. Find the coefficient of x power 18. See here coefficient of x power 18. Find the term coefficient of 18. Okay, here 18 the coefficient. Okay. So independent term is equate the power of x is equal to 0. See here x power 18. So here equate the power of x is equal to 18 here. Okay, here 11 is given, power is equals to 11. Here 5 is given, power is equals to 5. Okay, right. First same here, x plus a whole power n. Okay, so first write here general term. So here in the general term, here in the general term, here tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into, here ncr into x power n minus r, x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term, right? Replace these values here. N value 15, okay, x value x square, a value minus 6 by x square, minus 6 by x, okay, a value. Replace here. So therefore tr plus 1 is equal to, here tr plus 1 is equal to ncr, n value 15. So here that is 15 cr into x power n minus r, x value x square. So that is x square whole power n minus r, that is equal to 15 minus r into here a power, here a value minus 6 by x whole power r, okay, whole power r. So that is equal to here 15 cr. So that is 15 cr into here in this value x power multiplier 2 into 15 30. Okay, 30 minus 2 into r is 2r into next minus 6 whole power r into next one value x power r, 1 by x power r. 1 by x power r is equal to x power minus r. Okay, see here 1 by x power r. So here 1 by x power r value, see here. So that is 1 by x power r. 1 by x power r is equal to here x power minus r. Okay, x power minus r. Right. See here next. So here bases are equal. Okay, adding powers here. So that is equal to here 15 cr into minus 6 whole power r into next one x power. See here bases are equal here. Adding powers here. So that is 30 minus 2r minus r. So that is equal to minus 3r. Okay, minus 3r. Right. Next here minus 3r. So here find the coefficient of x power 18. Okay, x power 18. Find the coefficient of x power 18. So here to find therefore tr plus 1 is equal to this value. Okay, that is equation number 1. Alright, see here to find the coefficient of x power 18. Here to find the coefficient of x power 18. Okay, equate the power of x. Here power of x is equal to here x power 18 coefficient. So equate the power of x is equal to 18. So here coefficient of x power 11. So here equate the power of x is equal to 11. So here coefficient of x power 5. So equate the power of x is equal to 5. Okay, only here this value is changing. Procedure same, no change. Okay. Alright, so here this power is equals to here 18. So here this power is that is 30 minus 3r. Okay, 30 minus 3r is equal to here in this value is 18. Okay, right? So that implies here 3r taking this idea. So that is 3r is equal to here 30 minus 18. 30 minus 18 is 12. So here 3 get cancelled here. So that implies r value here r is equal to 4. Okay, r value is 4. R value. Replace r value 4 by equation number 1. Here from 1. Here t r value is 4. So that is t4 plus 1 is equal to. Replace here. So that is 15. Here c into here r value 4. Okay, 15 c r into minus 6. Here minus 6 whole power r value. Here r value is 4. Okay. Into next one x power. See here replace r value by 4 here. 3 into 4 is 12. 30. Okay, 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is 18. Okay, 18. Okay, 18. See here, find the coefficient of x power 18. X power 18 coefficient. This is the coefficient only. Okay, this is the coefficient. Okay, this is the coefficient. So here, therefore, the coefficient of x power 18. The coefficient of x power 18 is equal to. See here, x power 18 coefficient. This is the coefficient. Okay. See here, this is the coefficient. See here, in this coefficient this is the coefficient. Okay, this is the coefficient. Okay, x power 18 coefficient. Okay, x power 18 coefficient, only this is the coefficient. Here minus 6 power 4 is power is even, so this is plus. Okay, so in this coefficient of x power 15 is here 15, here c4, 15 c4 into next time value 6 power 4. This is the final answer. Okay, 6 power 4. Okay, right? 6 power 4. Okay, this is the coefficient. Minus 6 power 4, power is even, so this is plus. Okay, this is plus. So 15 c4 into x power 6 power 4. This is the coefficient. Only this is write this coefficient. Okay, don't write x power 18. X power 18 coefficient. Coefficient, this is the coefficient. Okay, write this question. In this model also same, all problems same procedure. Okay, write this question. Right, see here in this next problem. Here in this next question. Right, see here in this next question here, find the coefficient of x power 5 here. Coefficient of x power 5, same model. Okay, same model. So here find the coefficient of x power 5 in the x function. Right, see here first write general term here. So in this solution here, general term dr plus 1 is equal to, general term dr plus 1 is equal to, here in general term ncr into x power n minus r, x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term, right? Replace these values. Here n value 17, okay, x value x, a value 1 by x square. Replace here. So therefore here tr plus 1 is equal to, here ncr, n value 17, here cr into x power, x value x same, okay, x power here n minus r, that is 17 minus r into a power, a value here 1 by x square, a value is 1 by x square whole power r. So that is equal to here 17 cr into x power 17 minus r into here in this 1 by x power 2r, 1 by x power 2r is x power minus 2r. Okay, 1 by x power 2r. So that is equal to here in this total value 17 cr into x power, bases are equal here, adding powers here 17, okay, minus r minus 2r, that is equal to minus 3r. Okay, this value is tr plus 1 is equal, that is equation number here 1. Okay, see here find the coefficient of x power 5 here. So to find the coefficient of x power 5 here, to find the coefficient of x power 5, equate the power of x is equal to, equate the power of x is equal to, see here x power 5 coefficient. Okay, so equate the power of x is equal to here 5. Okay, before problem x power 18, so equate the power of x is equal to 18. This problem x power 5 coefficient, so equate the power of x is equal to 5. Okay, so x power 11 coefficient, so equate the power of x is equal to 11. Okay, right, next see here, so that is equal to, that is, see x power in this power is 17, 17 minus 3r, 17 minus 3r is equal to power of x, equate the 5, so that is equal to 5. So that implies, see here 3r taking this side here, that is 3r, here 3r is equal to, see here 17, 5 taking this side here, 17 minus 5 is 12, so 3 4 times get cancelled, so that implies r value is 4, okay, r value is 4. So replace r value 4 by equation number 1. See here, replace here, so here from 1, see here t r plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to, so here that is 17, here c 4, okay, 17 c4 into, right, replace here x by r value by 4 here, 3 into 4 is 12, 17 minus 12 is x power 5, okay, x power 5. So here see here coefficient of x, here in this problem find the coefficient of x power 5, x power 5 coefficient, this is the coefficient. Okay, so x power 5 coefficient here in this x power 5 coefficient, this is the coefficient. Okay, this is the coefficient, right here, this coefficient here. See here first here, therefore the coefficient of x power 5, so the coefficient of the coefficient of x power 5, the coefficient of x power 5 is equal to x power 5 coefficient. So this is the coefficient, that is 17C4, this is the coefficient. Okay, say 5 marks question, compulsory question, final exam. Okay, in this model compulsory one question, only one formula. Write this question. Right, see next problem. Right, next question. See in this next question, find the coefficient of x power 11. Coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion. Okay, right? X power 11 coefficient. This is also same procedure. Right, first write the general term. See here in the solution here. In the solution here, general term. In the general term, TR plus 1 is equal to, here TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into, okay, NCR into x power n minus r, x power n minus r into here a power r. This is the general term. So replace here n value by 17, here x value by x, a value by 2 by x square. So here first here, therefore TR plus 1 is equal to, here TR plus 1 is equal to NCR, n value 17. So that is 17. Here c into r into, so x power, x value x same, so that is x power n minus r, x power n minus r into a power, a value is 2 by x square, 2 by here x square whole power r. So that is equal to here 17cr into here x power n minus r into next one value here 2 power r into 1 by x power 2r, 1 by x power 2r, 1 by x power 2r value is x power minus 2r. Okay, this is the formula. See here, one more time this one. Right, see here in this formula, see here 1 by x power 2r, 1 by x power 2r is equal to x power minus 2r. Okay, x power minus 2r, x power minus 2r. See here these bases are equal, adding powers here, so that is equal to here 17cr into here 2 power r, okay, 2 power r into here x power, here bases are equal here, adding powers here n. So right here n value is 17, not writing here. Okay, n value is 17 here, right here 17. Okay, n value is 17. Okay, n value is 17. This is also 17. Okay, this value is 17. Okay, this value is 17. Okay, 17. See here minus r minus 2r, that is equal to minus 3r. So here this value is tr plus 1. So that is tr plus 1 is equal to. So that is equation number 1. Alright. See here first here to find the coefficient of, here to find the coefficient of x power 11. So x power 11 equate the power of x is equal to, equate the power of x is equal to 11. See here x power 11 coefficient. So here to find the coefficient of x power 11, equate the power of x is equal to 11. Here equate here this value, so that is equal to, here in this power is 17 minus 3r. Okay, 17 minus 3r is equal to, here this value is 11. Okay, right, 11. Okay, right, taking this idea, so that implies 3r is equal to, okay, 3r is equal to 17 minus 11, so that is equal to 6. So 3 2 times get cancelled, that implies r value is 2. Okay, r value is 2. So replace r value 2 by equation number 1. See here from 1, here from 1, see here replace here t 2 plus 1, t2 plus 1 is equal to, replace here 17c2 into next one value 2 power 2 into x power, replace r by 2 here, 3 into 2 9, 3 into 2 6, 17 minus 6 value 11. Okay, so here coefficient of x power 11, coefficient of x power 11, this is the x power 11 coefficient. Okay, so here coefficient of 11 is, see here this is the coefficient of 11, coefficient of 11 is, this is the coefficient of 11. Okay, coefficient. Alright, see here in this coefficient here, so therefore coefficient of x power 11 is equal to the coefficient of x power 11. The coefficient of x power 11 is equal, here in this coefficient here 17c2 into here 2 square. Okay, 17c2 into 2 square So here these values here, that is equal 17 C2, that is 17 into 16 by here 2 into 1, okay, NCR formula into 2 square, here 2 square value is 4, okay, here 2 times get cancelled, total value 544, okay, this is the coefficient, okay, in writing exam up to here given full marks, okay, right. See here, all problems are procedure same, no change, okay. Today you also practice one more time all questions, one question compulsory in final exam. Okay, the chapter finish. In this model, one question, 5 marks question, compulsory question. Okay, question number 39, your question paper. Write this question. Okay, today class finish. Next continuation, next class. Okay, right.